Okay, so I got these at Walmart, and I'm gonna try to give these a go around and see if they really work. There's the numbers for them to use in the back, and let's go ahead and try these. These are about $8, as you saw in the clip before, and we're just gonna open these up and see what we get. All right, so let's just go ahead and open these up really quickly. And those are the parts numbers and stuff like that for it. Let's just go ahead and cut them both out just to kind of give a feel, see what they feel like, kind of like in person. Okay, they're very light. They have the heat sink on them, and yeah, they're not actually too bad at all. The light bulb that's in the trunk, and as you can already see that it's one right there and the other one is out. So you can kind of tell how dark it is with one of them missing in this, big trunk. So we can start with this one up here, and you just take a flathead screwdriver and go to one side and take it on down. I believe that's the correct size right there for the replacement ones. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then of course, take off the other side. But anyway, okay, so we have our new bulb with the heat sink, and then you place the, down. And then you can kind of stick them right inside there. If you guys can kind of see a different color at all, with the change in the light, which I think is pretty obvious to see. Okay, let's switch this one out. All right, so looking here, you can tell I had to reinstall the original bulb that I had in here. This is not compatible. The LED bulbs are just too low. And I think the car, most Mercedes are kind of fickle with these LED bulbs. So for some reason, they made it so that they both don't come on until I put the original bulb back in, the original style, and then at least allow one LED to come on. So mixing old technology with new technology is not compatible, as I can clearly see. But I kind of like it. I'm going to leave it like this, hot, cold, so whatever. I just spent, $18 on some lights, and, only one can work. So I'll just call it a fail, but hey, just leave it.